Hello there, in this video I will show you how my first Angular app functions. This app was made by the latest version of Angular and the name of this app is QCool Update. As you know, the default Angular port is 4200 and in this app I have connected my app to a JSON server. First of all, I will show you how I run my JSON server and I will connect my app to the JSON server. You go to command prompt and type JSON -server watch db.json. And now the JSON server is functioning very well. As you can see here, this is my JSON server. I have entered some demo values to my JSON server. I have added an ID, a section name, topic name, question 1, 2, 3 and types of the question and the answers for the 3 questions. Now I will show how my app functions. First of all, I will save some elements to my JSON server through my app. In this form, you type the topic name and you can give any topic name. I will give a topic name named travel. Next, I will type a section name. As you can see, I have one section already made. Now I'll type another section name, section 2. And as you can see here, I have given priority to type 3 questions in this form. You can either type multiple choices, single line and multi-line answers for all these questions. Now I will type some questions. Question 1 will be a traveling question. I'll ask, what is your favorite place? And choose an answer type for this question. I will choose single line type and I will choose single line and enter the answer for this question. The answer will be Sigiriya. Now I will type another question. I will ask, do you like to travel on roads? And I will type an answer type for this question and it will be a multi-line answer and I will type the multi-line answer for this question. The answer will be, I like traveling on foot or by bicycle. And now I will type another question and an answer for that question. The question will be, have you skydived? And I will choose a single choice answer type for this question. I can either put yes, no, or will be doing in the future. The answer I will give for this question will be yes. And now I will submit my QCool form and see if it gets registered in my JSON server. As you can see, it has been added. Section has been added successfully. and the page refreshed. Now let's see our JSON server and check if this output has been saved to my JSON server. As you can see here, the data has been added to the JSON server. Now we'll check if another form has been created inside my application. Let's scroll down and check it. Oh, it's there. We have added a new topic name for the section 2. As you can see, the questions have been added here for the data that I saved. In these forms, the answer types have also been added, as you can see. Single line, multi-line, multiple choice, and the ones we applied are also there. We applied single line for the first question, multi-line for the second question, and single choice for the third question. Now let's see what edit does to my created form. When you press edit, you can see that the answers also appeared in the form. The first answer is a single line answer and it has been added like that. And the second answer was a multi-line answer. So a multi-line answer has been added here. And the third question's answer was chosen to be a single choice answer. And as you can see, the answer has been added to our form. Now is the next step. Let's press view button and see what happens. When we press view, we get a model that shows all the information that have been saved in the JSON server. As you can see, the first topic is religion and it's in the section 1, and the second one was the one we typed. Its name is there. Its name is travel, and its section is section number 2. And as you can see, the questions we typed have been saved and have been viewed here. The answers have also been added successfully to the JSON server. Now let's check the delete functionality for this application. Let's press delete for topic travel and see what happens. As you can see, the topic has been deleted. The topics have been gone from our application. Let's check the JSON server and see what's the output. The JSON server is empty now. Now let's start from scratch and see how to add a new section to our application. We press add new section to list and type a name for the section. We'll call this section number 4 and save it. We can view our section in the form and see it. We'll edit our section number 4 and save it in this step. First, let's type a topic name. I'll give it as religion. Now for this form, let's add some questions. The first question will be, what is your religion? The answer type for this will be multiple choice. And the answer will be Buddhism. The next question will be, do you eat fish? and the answer type will be single line, and I'll press single line answer and type the answer. It can be either yes or no, so we'll type no for it. And for the third question, we will type, have you faith in Buddha? And for this, the answer type will be multi-line, and I'll press multi-line and type the answer. The answer will be yes, I believe in Buddha very much. And let's update our QCool form by pressing section 4 again. Now let's see if the answer has been added to the JSON server. We refresh it and we can see that it has been really added to our server. Likewise, we can add many questionnaires to my application and see the outputs and type answers and type questions. Let's scroll down and see our form that we made earlier. As you can see, when we press edit, we get all the answers for the questions we've typed. So the QCool update software works like this. I newly added another form named marriage. It's in section number 5. Let's see its output now. As you can see here, the answers have been added according to the type we have given them. For single, it's a drop down menu. For answer 2, it's a radio button type of answer. And for answer 3, it's a single line answer. I really enjoyed making this application using Angular. This is my VS Code and this is my application. You can see that I coded using so many words and many statements, many functions and many variables. It's all there in this application. I invite you all to build applications from Angular, like me. I enjoyed this so much that I learned several things about Angular, and now I'm a pro Angular developer. So this is the end of this video, and I hope to see you in another video. And that's it. Thank you very much everyone.